Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how much RAM do you need in 2022. I will show you the detailed RAM usage in my PC. So I have 16 gigs of RAM in my PC. So as you can see, there is no apps running in the background and the RAM usage is 2.6 GB out of 16 GB. So now I will open browser. As you can see, the RAM usage is 3.1 GB. Now I will open YouTube and play a video. Now the RAM usage is 3.8 GB RAM used out of 16 GB. Now I will open 2 or 3 more tabs. The RAM usage is same 3.8 GB used out of 16 GB. Now opening Microsoft Office apps, opening Word. The RAM usage is now 2.7 GB used out of 16 GB. Now opening Excel. The RAM usage is 2.8 GB RAM used out of 16 GB. Now opening PowerPoint. The RAM usage is 2.9 GB used out of 16 GB. Now opening Microsoft Teams. The RAM usage is 3.7 GB out of 16 GB. Next, opening OneNote. The RAM usage is 3.6 GB out of 16 GB. Now opening Publisher. The RAM usage is 3.8 GB used out of 16 GB. Now opening Access. The RAM usage is 3.8 GB RAM used out of 16 GB. So keeping all the Microsoft apps in the background, the total RAM used is 3.8 GB used out of 16 GB. Now opening Adobe products, opening Photoshop. The RAM usage is 3.7 GB out of 16 GB. Now opening Adobe Illustrator. The RAM usage is 4.8 GB out of 16 GB. Now opening Premiere Pro. The RAM usage is 8.5 GB out of 16 GB. Now opening Adobe Animate. The RAM usage is 8.9 GB out of 16 GB. Now opening Adobe Media Encoder. The RAM usage is 9.4 GB out of 16 GB. So keeping few of the Adobe products in the background, the total RAM usage is 9.2 GB out of 16 GB. Now opening 3D softwares, opening Autodesk Maya, the RAM usage is 9.5 GB out of 16 GB. Now after rendering the image, the RAM usage is 9.8 GB out of 16 GB. Now opening Blender, the RAM usage is 3.4 GB out of 16 GB. Now after rendering, the RAM usage is 3.4 GB out of 16 GB. Now the gaming test. I have tested 4 games. The first game is Red Dead Redemption 2. The RAM usage is 9.5 GB out of 16 GB. The second game is Valorant and the RAM usage is 6.3 GB out of 16 GB. The third game is Shadow of the Tomb Raider and the RAM usage is 8.1 GB out of 16 GB. The fourth game is Hitman 3. The RAM usage is 6.7 GB out of 16 GB. So in conclusion, I divided 4 different categories for different users: basic, office, content creators, gaming. So in basic PC, which you mostly use it for day-to-day tasks such as browsing, checking mail, watching movies, then you need minimum 4 GB of RAM if you are using older operating softwares such as Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. If you are using Windows 11, it is recommended to get 8 GB RAM. Now for office use, in which you mostly use Microsoft Office, attending online calls, checking mail, etc., then 4 GB RAM is minimum, 8 GB RAM is recommended. Now for the content creators who use heavy 2D, 3D softwares and Adobe softwares, then you need at least 8 GB of RAM. 16 GB RAM is recommended. Now for gaming, you need at least 8 GB RAM if you want to game. 8 GB RAM will be okay for old games, but any new games you want to play, you need at 16 GB. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give a like and subscribe, and also follow me on social media for the latest updates.